Hey y'all, Dr. Walley here. Today I wanted to go over what you can expect a pair of glasses to cost if you have a vision plan. So we take two vision plans. We take VSP and IMED, which are some of the more common plans. And with those plans, they're very similar. I'll use VSP as an example here, but you generally get an allowance to go towards your frames. So you usually get about $150 to go towards frames. Most of our frames, I'll use this frame as an example. This is one of our nice eco frames, very lightweight, made from 100% recycled material. All of these frames come with clip-on sunglasses, which is very nice. And these frames retail for $350. So if you were to purchase that frame, you would subtract the $150 that you get from your insurance from the cost of that frame. And then you would also get an additional 20% off the difference in the price there. So like I said, $350 minus $150, you're going to be paying about $200 for the frame minus 20%, so maybe $180 or so. And then generally you're gonna have copays for your lenses. Usually a copay for a single vision lens is about $25. That covers just the basic plastic lens, no coatings, no special treatments that make the lenses thinner and lighter. So if you want something like that, an anti-reflective, anti-scratch coating that carries a 1 or 2 year warranty is gonna range about $75 depending on which one you pick out. So you'll add that price to the frame. So you'll add the $25 copay for the basic lens. And then if you wanted the anti-scratch coating, you'd add about $75 to that. And depending on your prescription, if you have a thicker prescription, you may want a different material. There's one that's called polycarbonate, which is a little bit thinner and lighter. It's also impact resistant. You can get that for about an extra $35. If you want it even thinner and lighter, you can get something that's called high index, which is gonna generally cost about $80 to $100 extra for the frame. And then lastly, the most expensive thing you can add, unfortunately, is a progressive lens. And a progressive lens is a no-line bifocal. So the top part's gonna help you see far away, and it's gonna progressively change until you get to the bottom of that lens where you can see really well right here. Most people over about the age of 45 need something along these lines, and a progressive is the best way to do that. It's going to give you the most flexibility, the most functionality with the lens. So generally for a progressive with VSP, you're going to add $150 to the cost of your lens. So it can add up fairly quickly if you have a progressive lens, but as I've mentioned before, all of our frames are super high quality. They're really lightweight, they're really durable. Our lenses are very high quality. They're going to be scratch resistant, anti-reflective. Those lenses have warranties on them, so if they do get scratched, something happens to them, we'll replace them. And so you're gonna make an investment on a very nice pair of glasses that we're gonna stand by, and you're also gonna be supporting a local business. So come check us out, and we'll be glad to show you everything we have here. Thanks for watching, y'all.